Hello. I wanted to make a real quick tutorial video showing how to use the drum synth on the Max instruments to make more realistic hi-hats. So I'm using the hi-hat one here, and then if you open up this little arrow here, you can see how the velocity is not mapped to anything, but you could actually map it to stuff like volume, which would be like sort of basic, which is like just hitting it on a MIDI controller here. But then the kind of cool stuff starts when you also map it to decay. So like, but then if you like increase that, so you can see how by just like playing with the values here, you could make close and open hi-hats, which you could, create some groovy stuff on. But then the cool stuff starts if you have like Ableton touch or like something Ableton push with the aftertouch or stuff like that. Then you could like, I'm just like using the repeat function on Ableton push right now and playing with the aftertouch, so you could. I'm trying to like create some like more groovier decay here, so like. Basically, I'm just holding my finger on the Ableton push and then playing with the aftertouch while having the repeat function on 1/8 notes. You could do this stuff like manually too. Yeah, I've got two MIDI controllers here. Like this Decay one is kind of better. Anyways, just want to show how you could like map different stuff to the velocity and, get the more realistic humanistic effect on your hi-hats. Thank you for watching.